Hello students, welcome to Design Concept of Building Service class. Today topic is heat, ventilation and air conditioning. This is second module. Here the first topic we can take thermal insulation. What is thermal insulation? Heat transfer is the process of thermal exchange between different systems. Generally, the net heat transfer between two systems will be from the hotter system to the cooler system. Heat transfer is particularly important in buildings for determining the design of the building fabric and for designing the passive and active systems necessary to deliver the required thermal conditions for the minimum consumption of resources. It is correct, no? Because we are a human being living in the building with proper temperature. If temperature is very high or if temperature is very low, we feel uncomfortable. We are not feel comfortable. So the temperature is a very important matter, and also it depends on our it also affect on our health. So that is the reason this heat concept is very important in our lifestyle. Behavior of heat propagation. The mechanism of heat transfer happens by following mechanisms: conduction, convection, radiation. What is conduction? What is conduction? It is the property of heat transfer from the elements of the body at higher temperature to those at lower temperature. It is very simple. At higher temperature to those at lower temperature. All substances which are solid, liquid or gases conduct heat. Some of them conduct more rapidly than others, depending upon the thermal conductivity of the substance. The basic equation of heat conduction is given here. Q is equal to K into A into Th minus Tc divided by L. That where the full form is given here. K means, capital letter K is the thermal conductivity of the material in, and A is the area in meter square, and L is thickness in meter, and Th is the temperature of hot surface in Kelvin, and Ts is the temperature of the cold surface in Kelvin, and Q is the quantity of heat flow in watt. Next, what is convection? It is used to describe the mechanism whereby heat energy is transferred by mixing one portion of a fluid, that is gas or liquid, with another. Heat transfer by convection takes place at the surface of walls, floor and roofs. The rate of heat transfer by convection can be expressed by the equation as given here. QC is equal to F into A into Ts minus Tf. Okay. Here star means into multiplication. Next, radiation. What is radiation? It is the exchange of heat energy between two or more building surfaces at different temperatures and separated by space. In this mode of heat transfer, the space or medium through which heat waves pass is not heated to any significant extent. An example of this type of heat transfer is the radiation received by the earth from the sun. The intensity of radiation emitted by a body depends upon the nature and temperature of the body. Thermal insulating material and their coefficient of thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity. What is thermal conductivity? This is the quantity of heat in the steady state conditions flowing the unit time through a unit area of a slab of uniform material of infinite extent and of unit thickness. When unit difference of temperature is established between its phases, its unit is watt per meter Kelvin. The thermal conductivity is a characteristic property of a material and its value may vary with a number of factors including density, porosity, moisture content, fiber diameter, pore size, type of gas in the material, mean temperature and outside temperature range. Thermal properties of building materials given in this table. These are the by experiment took these value or generally by average thermal conductivity value for particular materials. You can observe here materials are given: asbestos cement sheeting, asphalt, brickwork, concrete, and for asbestos cement sheet the thermal conductivity is 0.248 Kelvin, and asphalt 1.052, and brickwork 0.69, concrete 1.24, glass 0.905, plastering 0.49, granite 2.52. See, granite is the highest thermal conductivity 2.52, and limestone is 1.315, and sandstone is 1.115, and terrazzo 1.363, and timber is 0.124.